Good evening to all of you. Are you able to listen my voice? Can you hear my voice? Okay, thank you. Yes. Is my voice clear to all of you? Good evening to all of you. Today we will discuss about the number system, conversion of the number system. Okay. So in the last time we have discussed about the conversion of the decimal to binary digit. Okay. Once again I will tell you about those thing. Okay. Okay. So we have discussed about the conversion of decimal to binary. Okay. So as we know, for representing the data, decimal data, we write like this. Okay, base 10, 125, base 10 indicates that it is the 125 is the decimal number. Now we have to convert this into the binary. So how to convert this 125 into the binary number? Let's see. So for conversion of this 125 base 10 into the base 2 means into the binary digit. So for this we have to divide 125 by its base, binary base, that is the 2. Okay, and whatever the remainder it will come, we have to write one side. Okay, right side. So what we have to do, divide the 125 by 2. So 2 6 are 12. Okay, then next 5, 2 2s are 4, remainder it will come 1. So we will write here. Again divide the next 62 by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. Again 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, remainder will come 1. Now 2 7s are 14, remainder 1, 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, 2 zeros are 0, remainder 1. Now when it will comes the 0, then stop. Now after doing all these things, whatever the remainder it comes, we have to write in the inverse way. Okay, means from the bottom to the top. So bottom one is the 1, so write here 1, then again 1, then 1, then again 1, 1 here, again 1, 1, again 1, 1, then 0, and here 1. So the binary digit will be this 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay. So this is the means a binary number after means conversion of this 125 decimal number into the binary number. I have understood. Now I am going to give you one question here. 200 in decimal number you have to convert into the base 2. Right, do it in your copy and give write the your answer, your binary answer in comment. Okay, Vaishnavi Rai has given the answer first. Okay, Vaishnavi Rai, she is saying 1100 1 000. Okay, let's others see what they are. Uh, I don't know, Pooja Chaurasia. She is saying, Pooja Chaurasia, that 1 0 0 1 000. Shubham Singh saying 1 1 1 0 1 000. And Indian Gamer saying again same thing here. So Vaishnavi Rai, Pooja Chaurasia, Indian Gamer, and Varsa Yadav. Okay, so as we are seeing here, means most of the except the one. Okay, other they are saying means 1 1 0 0 1 000. Okay, so let's see means how to calculate this. Those who are not able to do, uh, let's see here. 200. Okay, 200 divided by 2. 1 minute. By the time you can, those who are means here, as I am seeing very less student you are here, uh, those who are absent here, those who are not present, please send the message to join here fast. Okay, now 200 divided by 2. Now 2 ones are here, remainder 0. Again 2 fives are 10, remainder 0. 2 25, remainder 0. 2 12 here, remainder 1. 2 6 are 2 6 are 12, remainder 0. 2 3 are 6, remainder 0. 2 1 are remainder 1. 2 zeros are remainder 1, and this much only. So what is coming, as you know? Okay, 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. So those who said miss this 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0, their answer is correct. Okay, their answer is correct. One more question I'm going to give you. One more question here. 128 in the decimal, you have to convert in binary digit. So do it fast. Okay, first answer Pooja Chaurasia gave. Okay, she's saying 1 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, Vaishnavi Rai is also saying same. then Afridi Akhlaq, Indian gamer, okay, Indian gamer Monam Singh, okay, okay, Monam Singh. Ishika Pandey, sir, unable to listen your voice. Once again, you please tell me, children, are you able to listen my voice? Are you able to listen my voice? Okay, so maybe means Ishika Pandey is having the network problem. Okay, so let's see means what is the answer of this question. Okay, so 128 going to divide by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 0, then again 2 3 are 2, 2 are 0, 2 16, 2 8 are 2 8 are 0, then 2 4 are 8, 0, 2 2 are 4, 0, 2 1 are 2, 0, and 2 0 are 0, 1. So here 4 plus 3 means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 means, so those who have said that means 1 7 times 0, their answer is correct. Okay, their answer is correct. Okay, now next is on that day only means I have told you means conversion of binary number to decimal number. Okay, बाइनरी से डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. नाउ लेट्स सी मीन्स बाइनरी. जस्ट नाउ वी हैव गॉट these numbers. Okay, I'm going to take this one. Okay, 3 to 5 times 1 0 1. Okay, 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, this is the binary number and we have to convert this into the decimal number. Okay, so into the base 10 we have to convert. So for conversion, you know very well, I hope means most of you have started converting it. Okay, so tell me what will be the answer. Anamika Maurya saying 125 125 125. Shraddha Jaiswal, Priya Isika Pandey 125. Miss all sorry, it will start from the 0. Okay, it will start from, okay, here it should be 1, then 2, like this. Okay, that is why it was coming means more, right. Okay, okay, here 1 2 4 8 16 32 and 64. Now cut this. Okay, cut it. Now here 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64. Okay, so 64 plus 16. Okay, 64 plus 16 it will be 80, and 80 plus 32, 80 plus 32 it will be 112, plus 8 plus 4 12 plus 113, then it will come 125. Okay, so from here it should be start from the 1. By mistake I did miss from the 2. Okay, so Here 1, then 2, then 4, 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16, to the 32, to the 64, like this. Okay, after that you have to add these. Okay, okay. Now, so this is the way, means you have to convert the binary into the decimal number. Now one question I'm going to give you: 101010. Now this is the into the binary, and you have to convert into the decimal number. Do it fast. Okay, the answer is coming. Saurabh Jaiswal is saying 62, 66. Shraddha Jaiswal 82, Pooja 42, 52, 72, Vaishnavi Rai 82. Okay, they are saying 82. Now answer is coming 82 only. Very good, very good. Very good. Its answer will be 82 only. Let's see, 1010010, and it should be start from the 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. So wherever the 0 are, you have to cut that. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, here 16, and then 64. 64 plus 16, it will be 80, plus 2, 82. Okay, now next number system is the octal number system. Octal number system. Octal number system. So how many symbols will be here, means how many digits will be here in the octal number system? Please tell. Octal number system is very important in the digital computer. The octal number system has the base of 8. So as we were saying, in the decimal base 10 it was, in the binary it was 2, but here in the octal number the base will be 8. Okay, so whatever